Canon fans and photographers worldwide have been waiting eagerly for what's next in the company's APS-C mirrorless lineup, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. After months of speculation, leaks, and changing rumors, it's time to break down what we actually know and what's likely still in the air. Back in early 2025, many expected Canon to announce the R7 Mark II during the third quarter of the year, perhaps in late August or early September. Then predictions shifted to the fourth quarter of 2025, and now the rumor cycle points toward early 2026, possibly in the first or second quarter. The delay has left many photographers frustrated, especially wildlife shooters who rely on fast frame rates and clean rolling shutter, performance stacked sensor and megapixel. Current information suggests the R7 Mark II will come with a 32 to 33 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a big deal for Canon's APS-C system. The stacked part is important. It allows the camera to read image data far faster than a traditional sensor, cutting down the dreaded rolling shutter effect. For wildlife and sports photographers who capture fast-moving wings or athletes in motion, this upgrade could make a dramatic difference. The R7 Mark II might also mark Canon's gradual move away from the mechanical shutter. Some leaks suggest Canon could rely entirely on an electronic shutter, though that raises questions about flash sync and exposure timing. It's possible Canon may include a hybrid shutter mode, electronic for speed, mechanical for reliability, ensuring flexibility in different lighting conditions. Video power, 4K at 120 FPS. Perhaps the most exciting rumor revolves around video. The R7 Mark II could bring 4K recording at 120 frames per second, a massive leap for an APS-C camera at this level. For creators who shoot slow-motion wildlife or cinematic B-roll, this would be a game-changer. The current R7 can do 120 FPS at 1080p, but true 4K slow motion with minimal crop would elevate the camera into semi-professional territory. Some insiders claim Canon may even enable 6K oversampling or partial 6K recording. But the challenge is managing overheating. Higher resolution and faster frame rates generate enormous heat, and Canon has learned from past criticism. It's very possible that Canon is spending extra development time refining heat dissipation and internal cooling, which could explain why the R7 II has been delayed. Active cooling and AI integration. A few patents and forum leaks suggest Canon may introduce active cooling technology, perhaps a small internal fan or advanced heat pipes similar to what gaming laptops use. While this may sound extreme for a compact mirrorless camera, the addition could help keep performance stable during long recording sessions. Another possible reason for the delay is AI integration. Canon is reportedly experimenting with AI-based autofocus systems that use machine learning to detect and track subjects more intelligently, including birds, animals, vehicles, and even specific gestures. If Canon succeeds in merging its dual-pixel AF system with on-device AI computing, the R7 Mark II could become one of the smartest APS-C cameras on the market. Stabilization and build quality. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, improving handheld photography even in low light. While the difference between 7 and 8.5 stops may not seem massive on paper, every improvement helps for long telephoto shots or handheld macro work. Design-wise, the new body may take inspiration from the Canon R5 series. Tougher build, deeper grip, dual card slots, and better weather sealing. Canon could also introduce an upgraded EVF with higher refresh rates for smoother panning and less lag. Pricing and market position. According to multiple sources, Canon's target price could be around $1,499 USD for the body only. However, tariffs, taxes, and supply shortages could push that closer to $1,800 or even $2,000. That's a considerable investment for APS-C shooters. But if the R7 Mark II delivers a stacked sensor and reliable 4K 120 video, the price could be justified. Owners of the current R7 might wonder if upgrading is worth it. For casual photographers, probably not. The R7 Mark I already offers powerful stills performance, excellent autofocus, and plenty of video options. But for creators who demand professional-level slow motion, rolling shutter elimination, and high-speed burst photography, the Mark II could be a dream come true. Overheating and performance thermal issues have plagued many modern mirrorless cameras, but Canon seems determined to fix that with this model. Rumors mention that Canon engineers are testing a revised heatsink layout, new magnesium chassis design, and even passive vents that direct heat away from the main sensor board. Combined with improved battery efficiency and faster image processing, the R7 II should sustain long recording sessions without random shutdowns. Potential release window if development stays on track. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II might appear in late 2025, possibly announced before the holiday season. However, some leakers believe Canon will wait until spring 2026 to ensure firmware optimization and proper marketing alignment with the R5 Mark II and R1 flagship models. Likely specs. Summary 3233 MP stacked. CMOS APS-C sensor DIGIC X2 or newer image processor 4K 120 FPS, 10-bit 4.2.2 internal video potential 6K oversampled output 8.5 stop IBIS dual SD CF Express card slots enhanced dual pixel AF with AI subject tracking improved thermal design. Possibly active cooling weather sealed magnesium alloy body estimated price. 1,500, 2,000 final thoughts for now. These are still rumors, but many come from reliable sources and early field testers spotted using prototype units. Canon appears to be refining the final product carefully, possibly taking extra time to ensure it competes not only with Sony and Fujifilm in the APS-C market, but also with its own full-frame lineup. If Canon successfully combines a stacked sensor, AI autofocus, 4K 120 FPS video, and improved cooling, the R7 Mark II could easily become one of the most powerful crop sensor cameras ever made. Until Canon makes an official announcement, though, we can only keep watching the leaks, the forums, and the certification filings. The wait is frustrating, but it might just be worth it. The R7 Mark II seems poised to redefine what Canon's APS-C line can do, merging professional video features with flagship-level photography performance. When it finally launches, expect it to dominate wildlife, sports, and hybrid content creation circles for years to come.